Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. Today we'll be learning about birds. So have you ever heard about the birds? Birds कौन होते हैं, क्या आप लोग जानते हो? कभी आपने बर्ड को देखा है? आपने हमेशा बर्ड्स को देखा है ना आपके आसपास, जब आप रोड पे जाते हो, आप पार्क में जाते हो. You must have seen the birds, right? So, look at the picture of the bird and say the name of its body parts. आज हम birds के body parts सीखेंगे. What we will learn? Today we'll learn about the birds' body parts. So, we'll say the names of birds' body part. Okay. So, this is bird's head. And this is bird eye. This is bird's beak. This is called, इनकी चोंच होती है ना, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? beak. Okay. Then next, this is bird's neck. This is bird's wing. वो लोग उड़ते हैं ना, पर से उड़ते हैं ना, feather, इधर feathers होते हैं, पर होता है, उससे उड़ते हैं ना वो लोग. So this is bird's wing. This is bird's leg. And this is bird's claws. Claws. बोलो claws. This is bird's tail. Tail. Once again we'll repeat. This is bird's head. This is bird's eye. This is bird's beak. This is bird's neck. This is bird's wing. This is bird's wing. This is bird's leg. This is bird's claws. And this is bird's tail. So birds also have feathers on their body. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, wings पे उनके, tail पे उनके बहुत सारे feathers होते हैं. They are totally covered with feathers. So ऐसा दिखता है feathers. Next, match the different parts of a bird to the picture. So you have to match the different parts to the picture. For example, this is head. तो आपका bird का head कहाँ पे है? So you have to match like this. So head is here, right? Then eye is here. So like this, you have to match all of the parts to the bird parts of body. Okay. So you have to match the different parts of a bird to the picture. Okay. Next, we see many birds around us. Say their names. So those are the birds we see normally around us. So कोई कोई birds आपने देखे होंगे, कोई कोई birds नहीं भी देखे होंगे. So now we'll say their names loudly. Okay. Say all of you with me. Pigeon. Pigeon. Parrot. Parrot. Sparrow. Say sparrow. Crow. Crow. Hen. Hen. Duck. Duck. Cock. Cock. Peacock. Peacock. Eagle. Eagle. Owl. Owl. Once again we'll repeat. फिर एक बार हम बोलेंगे सारे birds के नाम. Pigeon. Parrot. Sparrow. Crow. Hen. Duck. Cock. Peacock. Eagle. Owl. Now circle only the birds. So now we are going to circle only the birds. So कौन से birds हैं यहाँ पे? Hen. Parrot. Then peacock. crow, owl and sparrow. So these are the birds we are going to circle. ये सारे birds हैं तो इनको हम circle करते हैं.